This video is about joining those two together. The people with the experience, the people with the money. This isn't 3 years ago. Homes are being built everywhere. It's not a mystery. It's not a hypothesis anymore. 3 years ago, there was no code on the books. Today, code is on the books everywhere. So it's in your same state, not in a state halfway across the United States, in the same state, so that you guys can get started, so that you can enjoy the benefits of what this technology brings to the table and offers you, so that it gives you an unfair advantage over all your competition. Being able to utilize this technology and the benefits of our organization and our equipment and what we teach you, to be able to have a 30 to 50, 60% advantage, that's hands down. That is, you know, I will bet that bet every single time. Work out whatever you work out. We don't get involved in that part of it. All we're doing is combining like-minded people that can benefit in the same exact ways to have an unfair advantage over competition. That's what we're doing here. Okay, what we're doing today is putting together a quick video we have different types of buyers. 95% of the people that call us every single day, 30 calls a day, they're not buyers. The first category is builders that are printing 100 homes a year. They own their own land. They have millions of dollars in the bank. They're very liquid. They have finished lots that have undergrounds done, excavations done, zonings done. These are finished lots. They're ready to start putting homes on immediately. These are the whales. These are the great calls that we get, where people are ready to go right now. They don't need a loan. They don't need financing. They have the lots. They have the experience. They're ready to go. First category. Second category is a little less. Buyers that have, you know, they built 10 homes last year. They're planning on building 10 or 20 homes this year. They have land that they can put up for collateral to be able to buy a printer. It makes it very, very easy. Banks aren't going to lend you money based off a pretty story, a business model, a business plan. That doesn't exist. Banks want to lend money. They're going to charge you interest based on how much risk they're putting out there. So it will never be because this amazing business model and business plan, and you put all this stuff together, and here's all the need, and they don't care. What they care about is how much can you put down, and what can I take from you if you don't pay your payments. That's all they care about. Okay, that's what it really, really gets down to. And we can talk a lot more about finance companies and the ones that we recommend versus just going to your local bank, which is a huge difference. And then your third category are people that have, you know, they built 2 to 3 homes a year. They have some collateral. They can maybe put 20% down, but they have a FICO score of at least 7.0. Okay, so 6.8, worst scenario, but they have a good FICO score. They pay their bills. They don't have negatives against their credit. And then there's the fourth category. The fourth category is the challenge, and that is people that either have the construction experience, so they know how to build homes, or they have the money, but they don't seem to have both. Okay, we have a lot of buyers that are like, this is phenomenal, I want to get involved in it, I got the capital, I just don't understand construction, and some of the stuff you say to us makes us nervous. Working with building departments and engineers and building inspectors and zoning and all this kind of stuff. So we got the capital, okay? We have the money, we've sold some companies, we have a lot of money sitting here, but we just don't understand construction. So they're looking for somebody who has construction experience. And then on the other side, you have those who have the construction experience. They know how to manage job sites, making sure that subcontractors are on the job, materials are on the job. They know how to deal with inspectors. They know how to deal deal with engineers and zoning and all that kind of stuff, but for whatever reasons, short on capital. This video is about joining those two together. The people with the experience, the people with the money, to be able to come together. Because if you ask me anytime, I'll tell you, I hate partnerships. I don't like partnerships whatsoever. But if it's a means to an end, okay, it's worth looking at. Just because I don't like partnerships doesn't mean that the advantages of a contractor and a person with money coming together to be able to build homes, it doesn't change the advantages at all. It's still 70% faster. It's still 30% cheaper. And that is without our co-op that our buyers have put together. Our co-op is where they're buying windows, cabinets, countertops, appliances at half the cost of Home Depot, and they're working together. They're importing this stuff directly from China. It's going to a central distribution center out of Texas, and they're all working together. Property's your number one expense. Number two, cost of goods. Number three, so the printer's going to give you a 30% advantage. The co-op's going to give you another 50% advantage. Holy hell. In most markets, there are 15 to 20 people that can build the exact same product that you build. 15, 20 people. And you're all competing over maybe 3% advantage. Okay? The person that can discount at least 3% more than the others, they win. There's 20 people all building the same product, the same 1,200 square foot home, but 3% you win. Can you imagine 30 to 50% advantage? Because that is what MudBots, that is what this technology brings to the table, a 30 to 50% advantage over local competition. Hands down, you win, they lose. But if you don't have the ability to do it on your own, the next best thing is doing it together, partnering with somebody else. We got 50 to 100 people that have registered in every single state in America. They're interested in this tech, they want it, they see the advantage, they see that they own the world if they can employ this tech into what it is they are doing. So if you can't do it on your own, okay, next best thing, do it with somebody else that can partner with you. Maybe two people with the exact same skill set, but you get it 1 month, we get it the next month. Okay, it's better than nothing at all. Because trying to compete for that same little 3%, building the same product, that sucks. That is hard. Being able to utilize this technology and the benefits of our organization and our equipment and what we teach you to be able to have a 30 to 50, 60% advantage, that's hands down. That is, you know, I will bet that bet every single time. So that's what we're talking about here. We have a form that's put together. It says, who are you? Okay, what do you bring to the table? Do you have all the money, but you don't have the experience? Do you have all the experience, but you don't have the money, or you don't have the credit score? Who are you? What do you bring to the table? Okay, I got this many years experience in this and this and this and this. I can do this and this and this. I don't have this and this. I'm looking for a partner that is this and this. That's what this video is about. We'll send you the form, you fill that out, we'll try and link you with somebody else in your same state, not in a state halfway across the United States, in the same state, so that you guys can get started, so that you can enjoy the benefits of what this technology brings to the table and offers you, so that it gives you an unfair advantage over all your competition. That is what this is about. It's not ideal, but okay, if you don't have millions in the bank and you can't pay cash for one of these things, okay, and if you're not doing 20 homes a year, so if you're in that fourth category where you could use some help, better to figure out a way to work with somebody else, join together, share it, work together. We don't care how you do it. All we're saying is we recognize there's that category, that fourth category. Okay, FICA score isn't perfect. I don't have the experience or I don't have the money, but I still see the value and the benefits, and something's better than nothing. That's what this is about. We will look at what you offer, what you say you need, where you're at, what you bring to the table, combine you with somebody else. Something is better than nothing. Contact us, let us know, let us see the form. We want to fill this out. Be honest. There's no sense in not being honest. I mean, people, oh yeah, I got all kinds of money and I got this and be honest. Don't waste anybody's time. These are serious people that are seeing the same advantages that you are. Okay, join together, co-op, share the machine. So let us know if that's of interest to you. We'll send you out the paperwork and we'll get you connected with the right people.